Three words describe John best. He's straightforward.
Down home, creative, steady.
He has a lot of integrity.
He's a very driven individual.
Everybody knows that Dr. Simpson is a visionary.
And he's crazy. All very positive attributes.
I got to know Dr. Simpson in 1999 when I joined Foxholler Technologies.
I think I met him in a cath lab, is where I met him, when he was at Stanford. That goes back a long ways.
We have been his counsel, his law firm, throughout all of his endeavors, I think, and developed a very fine relationship between business and friends.
I have been interested for a long time in developing and improving technologies to treat vascular disease, both in the coronaries as well as the peripheral arteries.
John has made a major impact in the medical device industry.
He is so passionate about his work.
Very hands-on, and he's there for kind of every aspect of the project.
He's a very good mentor.
He's got a balanced view, and it's coupled with his personality. It's kind of an all-shucks Midwest type of thing. That's deceptive. He's very shrewd and very competent.
His leadership in the field of innovation has proven to many people that innovation really is a valued component of being a physician.
He's a most, unforgettable character.
I was diagnosed with MS probably 20 years ago. And it occurred after being able to exercise without limitation on a Friday, and then on Monday having profound exercise limitations, difficulties walking from my bedroom to the kitchen.
It was a scary event a little bit because you realize that your father or your parent has something that, you're not quite sure what the next day is going to hold.
And he was taking this medication, and that wore him down completely.
I was introduced to the Myelin Repair Foundation and introduced to Scott, and had the fantasy that, wow, I don't like what I'm currently doing, and maybe the Myelin Repair Foundation could help.
The values of the Myelin Repair Foundation match his core values, which is helping patients as quickly as possible.
The initial vision for the Myelin Repair Foundation was to really revolutionize the approach to medical research.
He had a concept that he was going to be able to get academicians that were not used to working together to work together.
In the field of academia, sometimes they lose their way.
It's slow, and it can be ego-driven and siloed.
They get all concerned with writing papers, getting grants, and doing things that don't have a direct effect on patients.
Very isolated from the pharmaceutical industry, which is necessary to actually take the discoveries that are made and actually get them to patients.
There's lots of patients needing lots of help.
There are over 7,000 diseases, and only a few hundred have effective treatments today.
Well, when you're dealing with patients that are sick, ill, want to get better and don't want to die, then you develop a sense of urgency.
Our objective is to develop and demonstrate the accelerated research collaboration model on myelin repair for MS, and by doing that, then have it applied to other diseases.
The collaboration of that type of organization with the private sector, with the entrepreneurial side, where science and philanthropy and education can meet.
Organizing and managing that process is a really different way of operating than most nonprofits. And I think it's important I think that really sets us apart because it's critical to actually getting things to the finish line, which is getting treatments to patients.
And it's unique. This is not just your everyday foundation with a cause. This is a foundation with a unique approach to solving the problem that is intuitively incredibly obvious that it's the right way to do it. Just gets a lot of really smart people, make them work together. If they don't have any choice, they have to work together.